Welcome to today's how-to presentation on how to complete the year-to-date data template. This is in reference to Stage 2, Step 2.5 of your implementation project plan. Your implementation manager will have provided you with the Excel template to populate in order to input your employees' information into our system. Okay, so this is what the year-to-date data template looks like. Firstly, we just need to populate the company name, and then we're just looking for the ending date of the last payroll in the previous payroll software. Moving down to our first column. So we're looking for the employee code, we're looking for the given name, and we're looking for the surname. Now, if your employee doesn't currently have an employee code, then this field can be left blank. Moving on to start date, we're looking for the first day that the employee started with your company, so just populating the date in there for us. Annual leave, so this is the leave entitlement that currently is unused by the employee, and so we're looking for that to be calculated and inputted in hours, and the same with personal leave. For long service leave, even if your employees are not entitled to this anytime soon, we still need to populate this information so correct accruals can be calculated in the background for future needs. This figure needs to be supplied in weeks though. And RDO, any entitlements that are owing on it for employees under RDO, simply populate them here. So moving along to gross taxable income, included are all taxable payments minus any before tax salary sacrifice, as an example, deductions. After tax payments and deductions are not included in this amount. Tax, this is any tax that has been withheld from the employee's wages this financial year. Super, this includes any super that's been calculated and paid, and obviously at the moment the rate is 9.5%. Moving on to allowances. This can include before and after tax allowances. If the allowance is before tax, ensure this amount is included in the gross taxable income, so this column just here. We're looking for the description and the amount. We've allocated two sections to this, but if you have additional allowances, feel free to insert additional columns so they can be recorded into the system. Salary sacrifice, again we're looking for the description and the amount, and then some examples could include superannuation and novated lease. Moving along to terminations. Any employee that has been terminated in the current financial year that AussiePay will need to produce payment summaries for will need to be on our system. So we're looking for the final date the employee worked, we're looking for the reason, which could be resignation, dismissal, or any of the above. We're also looking for the ETP payment, so the employee termination payment, and then we're looking for the lump payments, so A, B, D and E, and the breakdown of those for that employee. This is the notes section, so any items that you'd like to bring to the implementation manager's attention. I hope this video has provided you with the comfort around completing the year-to-date data template. We have multiple videos available to help you during the implementation process. Be sure to stay in touch with Employee Group and AussiePay by frequently visiting us via our blog page on our websites, and also connecting with us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Most importantly, welcome to Employee Group, and remember, we're here to help.